Alright, so my flashlight's kind of dying on me. There we go. There's more cicadas tonight. This one's crawled out of its shell. They're completely white as well, which is cool. Oh, look at this one! Oh, I did not see that one earlier. I should take that one up to Mama and show her. There's a bunch of them. There's one right there. They were on this fence over here last night. And right there. Oh, look at that one. What is going on with you? Are you still, you're just trying to... Oh no, spider. Probably what that got that other one. You'll be okay. Are you okay, little dude? He's still going. Oh. Let's try to flip you over. Oh, you're a little... Okay. Here you go, little dude. There you go. Here, let's put you up somewhere. Okay, let's get you put up this way. Come here. There you go. On the, oh, nope, okay. Mosquitoes in my ear. Okay. I got my flashlight to my legs. This is awkward. Okay. There you go, onto that rock. There you go. All better.